Hey, hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this Python beginner tutorial series, today let's discuss about what is Python dictionary. Okay, this is part 5 of Python dictionary video. In this particular video, we will focus on what are dictionary comprehension. Alright, so in one of our previous video in the playlist, we discussed about what is list comprehension. Okay, so if you want to create a new list out of an existing list in an elegant and concise way, then you will use something called list comprehension, right? So similarly, dictionary comprehension also does the same kind of activity, but the only difference is there you use list, here you use dictionary, right? So again, coming to the definition, like dictionary comprehension is an elegant and concise way to create dictionary out of existing dictionary. All right, so I have listed down the syntax here. In dictionaries we have keys and values, right? So you can relate the key value pair so that you will have a clear understanding of the syntax. But do not worry, we'll see an example so that you will have a much better understanding. All right, so now I will try to give you an example where if you want to find a square of numbers up to n, I will show you two different approaches. One is by using traditional for loop and another one is using dictionary comprehension. Okay, let me jump to my PyCharm. So in order to save some time, I'm just gonna copy it. So if you see, I've created an empty dictionary here and I'm using a traditional for loop up to range 5. You can give any range, but for now I'm just giving up to 5 and I'm just using a formula to create a dictionary which will give the square of numbers. All right, so I into 2. Now if I run this, you can see it, since we gave the range up to 5, it went up to 4 because the index starts from 0, right? So it has given you the key value pair where the key is the numbers of range up to 5 and the value is the square of those given numbers. So 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Similarly, we have squares up to range 5. Okay, so this is how you can find a square of numbers using traditional for loop. Let's see the same example using dictionary comprehension. So here, now if I run this, it will produce the same output. You can see the console, it will produce the same output, but only difference is in how we wrote the dictionary comprehension. All right, so this is a very elegant and concise way of writing. Like it is more readable, and it also when you start using it with larger data set, right, even with performance it will be very, very helpful. Okay, so this is how you can use dictionary comprehension to create a new dictionary out of existing dictionary. In order to understand this this one better, let's see another example. Now let's see how to create multiples of 2 of the given numbers in the dictionary. So I have listed an example here. So I have 2 dictionaries here. Like I have a dictionary 1, so where I have just created a dictionary with simple values like A is 1, B is 2, C is 3 and D is 4. Right, now in this dictionary 2, I'm just trying to create a new dictionary comprehension. Right, so we have I, we have value called j into 2, which will find the multiples of 2. So 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 2. All right, and what is the condition? We have for key comma value in the I treble. So you can refer to this again. So I have listed down, highlighted each and every part of the syntax. Like I is the key, j into 2 is the value, and key comma value is I comma j, and here the I treble is the existing dictionary 1. All right, so now if I run this, oops, I'm not printing it. So print dictionary 1. Now let me print dictionary 2. Right, so here we have dictionary 1 which is the original dictionary we created, and we have something called dictionary 2, which is a dictionary which is a multiples of 2 of the given dictionary, which is created using an syntax of dictionary comprehension. All right, so just to reiterate, if you want to create a new dictionary out of an existing dictionary also, you can use dictionary comprehension, which will be very helpful. Okay, so I have seen many people using list comprehension in day-to-day programming, but I have not much widely seen people or Python developers using dictionary comprehension. If you are not using it, I would suggest you to start using it, because it is one of the more effective way, effective way, not only in a readable format, but also when performance wise also it will be very, very helpful and effective when you start working with larger data sets. Okay, so I would suggest you to try this one and let me know for any queries you have. Thank you.